Hey everybody, it's Travis again, LED Source Wichita. I bet you're wondering why we're standing next to this fluorescent fixture. Well, I'll tell you in just a second, but first, if you haven't seen our Philips InstantFit video, please go check it out. I've got a link over here so you can get to it quickly and easily. It shows you real quick how to make the switch and how to start saving money right away. This video is going to dive a little deeper into the InstantFit, so let's get into it. Now this fixture, obviously I've taken the cover off and the pan off so you can see what's going on inside. And the first thing you'll see is the ballast is actually still in place and still wired up and operating. That's what's really cool about the Philips InstantFit, is it's completely compatible with electronic ballasts. Now most modern T8 fixtures out there right now are electronic ballast. If you have any questions about what ballast you have in your fixtures, give us a call. We can help you figure that out, and we can even bring a lamp by and test it to make sure it's going to work. But as you can see, fully interchangeable, because I've got 2 LED tubes in here, and the last tube over here is actually still a fluorescent. So they're fully interchangeable. They can operate side by side. That means you can swap out 1 or 2 lamps or all of them and start saving even more money right away. So let's show you real quick how to make the switch. The old fluorescent tube is going to pop right out. We're going to set it over here carefully so we don't have our own mess to clean up. Now folks, always dispose of those properly. They do have mercury and glass in them. They need to be disposed of the right way. But the one thing you'll notice about the InstantFit, it's very durable. It's plastic, there's not glass, it's not going to break like a fluorescent tube would and just make a big mess. The tubes themselves carry a 4-year warranty from the manufacturer, and they're expected to operate for about 40,000 hours, which means that you should get about 8 to 10 years of life out of them. It depends a little bit on what your application is and how long you operate them. So let's pop this new one in. It's a very simple process. And just like that, we're operating again. You get that full instant brightness right from the beginning, and it's just like swapping out a fluorescent tube like you're doing nowadays. That means that you don't have to have an electrician do any kind of wiring. You don't have to open up the ceiling or anything like that. The old tube pops out, the new one pops in, your maintenance staff can do it, or even you can do it. It's that simple. The other thing you'll see is we have the same brightness. We've got the same amount of light coming out of the fixture. They're virtually the same side by side, and even when you put the cover up, you won't even be able to tell the difference. In terms of wattage savings, it's going to vary a little bit depending on which ballast you have in your fixture. But you can expect about 30 to 40% energy savings across the board. And when you start adding the maintenance in there, you'll get even more savings. This product is also a very affordable cost, so your ROI is going to be very high because it's going to be easy to make the switch. And again, you don't have to have the electrician do the install for you. So it's a great little product. We'd love to come talk to you about it. If you have any questions about this product or, of course, anything else, please give us a call. I'm Travis at LED Source Wichita. Thanks.